Hi, Yahboom.
I am here.
Move forward 1 meter. Move back 2 seconds. Turn left half a circle. Rotate right 720 degrees. Then tell me a joke.
Okay, I'll start executing it now. Who does the snowman hate most? The sun, because it melts the snowman.
Hi, Yahboom.
I am here.
I'm thirsty.
Okay, I'm going to the convenience store. I've arrived at the convenience store, starting to look for mineral water. Found it. There is mineral water in the convenience store. You can enjoy it.
Hi, Yahboom.
I am here.
Go to the production workshop to inspect the equipment operation status. Then navigate to the storage area to check inventory and record the auto stock categories. Next, navigate to the safety lane. Follow the green line and check for obstacles. Navigate to the waste area to check for any waste that needs to be removed. Once all is complete, return to the starting point and submit a brief inspection report.
Okay, I'll record my current location as my starting point. Going to the production area for an inspection. In the production area, I noticed that traffic light was red. This means there's a malfunction in the equipment. Now, I'll go into the warehouse to check inventory. The storage area is missing yellow inventory. Now, I'll go into the safety lane for inspection. I've arrived at the safety lane. Check if there is a green line. Found it. Beginning the obstacle inspection. There are obstacles in the safe lane. Now, I'll go into the waste area. In the waste area, I noticed the red and blue bins needed to be removed. Now, return to starting position to prepare for the inspection report. The inspection report is as follows. The equipment in the production workshop lights up red, indicating that a fault has occurred and needs to be handled. The yellow product category in the storage area is insufficient. There is an obstruction in the safety lane. The blue and red bins in the waste area need to be removed. This task has been completed. Call me again if you need.
Hi, Yahboom.
I am here.
Describe the scene you see.
I see a blue and red trash can. There is a small airplane parked near me, and a sign with the Yahboom logo on the back.
Hi, Yahboom.
I am here.
Track the red cylinder in front of you.
I saw the red cylinder and started following it.
Hi, Yahboom.
I am here.
Track the astronaut in front of you.
I've locked onto the astronaut's position.
Hi, Yahboom.
I am here.
Track the blue line in front of you.
Okay, I'll track the blue line.
Hi, Yahboom.
I am here.
Track the red line in front of you.
Okay, I'll track the red line.
Hi, Yahboom.
I am here.
Match the fruit closest to you and the fruit farthest from you and tell me the distance between them.
Okay, the closest fruit is an orange. It's 43.4 centimeters away from me. The farthest fruit is an apple. It's 74.2 centimeters away from me.
Hi, Yahboom.
I am here.
Help me find my backpack.
Okay, I'm going to the study to look for it. I've arrived at the study, starting to look for your backpack. It's not in the study. I'll check the living room. I've arrived at the living room. Starting to look for your backpack. It's on the living room floor. Return to the starting position. It's on the living room floor. Task completed.